Alrighty, folks. I'm done trying to fight that darn thing to get it to adjust right. So I'm going to step around here. One of my videos I did some reloading on, and somebody said, could you talk about the powder you used? I can in some ways, and on YouTube they kind of frown about telling about ways to load and stuff like that. I will say this, when you are reloading, this is a disclaimer, you yourself is responsible for every load. It is not the company that produces the powder, not the company that produces the loading equipment, but the person doing the loading. So read the manuals, study the manuals, breathe the manuals. Okay, the powder I used for my 45 Colt cartridges is Trail Boss, put out by Hodgins. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It's granulated to where you basically have little teeny circles of powder. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I don't want to waste that powder. Right now it's kind of hard to come by, but it's hard to find in the stores around here. I've been able to find it online. But right now, even after the hectic pandemic, I'll put it that way, it's hard to find. It's high priced. But if it's done correctly, your cartridges can be the same as the cowboy loads that is recommended for certain revolvers. I've not shot any of my reloads through my Henry. Because I haven't had the opportunity to go to the gun range. But like I say, for safety's sake, if you've not done any reloading, study it before you do it. If you have any questions, stay with the factory loads. If you do not trust yourself in loading your own cartridges, stay with the factory loads. Safety is always at the top of the list when using any firearm. If it's not a safe target to shoot at, don't shoot it. If you don't know what's beyond that target, you leave it alone. You don't know anything about the firearm, you leave it alone. You learn about it. You find somebody that has used that firearm that is knowledgeable, not some fly-by-night son of a gun. And if you find ammunition that looks like it's been wet, don't use it. Put it where it can be taken apart and then disposed of properly. Your safety and the safety of those around you is top priority on your shoulders as long as you're using a firearm. for target practice, for hunting, for all legal purposes. Now that I've been on my soapbox, thank you for watching, and thanks to that subscriber who asked for me to talk about the powder. This, they say, is one of the easiest powders for beginner reloaders. But any powder you treat with respect, keep in a dry place, don't have any flame near it, because we want you around for a long time. So does your family. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll keep doing videos.